Let's go for wild Amazon, deep into the green heart of our planet, where nature remains untouched, wild, and powerful. The Amazon rainforest, often called the lungs of the earth, is the largest tropical forest on the planet, covering over 5.5 million square kilometers across South America. But it's not just a forest. It's a living world filled with mystery, magic, and millions of creatures most of us have never seen. As we journey into the depths of this jungle, the sounds of the Amazon surround us, the rustling leaves, the distant call of exotic birds, and the whispers of predators hidden in the shadows. Every step here is a discovery. The Amazon is home to over 400 species of mammals, 1,300 species of birds, and more than 3,000 types of fish. From the skies to the jungle floor, life thrives in extraordinary ways. By the riverbanks, capybaras, the world's largest rodents, relax in groups while caimans, close cousins of crocodiles, wait patiently beneath the water's surface. And let's not forget the anaconda, one of the largest snakes on Earth, slithering through the swamps with terrifying silence. As we move deeper into the jungle, the diversity becomes more surreal. Howler monkeys roar through the treetops, sloths cling lazily to branches, and tiny, brightly colored poison dart frogs serve as a deadly reminder. Beauty in the Amazon often comes with danger. What's truly incredible is that most of this wildlife is found nowhere else on Earth. These animals have adapted over millions of years to survive in one of the most challenging and competitive ecosystems. But beyond the wild animals and dense trees, the Amazon carries a powerful message. It is not only a sanctuary for life, it is a vital part of Earth's balance. It produces 20% of the world's oxygen, stores vast amounts of carbon, and helps regulate the planet's climate. Yet today, this wild paradise faces serious threats: deforestation, illegal hunting, and climate change. Many species we admire today are on the brink of disappearing forever. That's why documenting the Amazon is so important. The more we learn, the more we appreciate. And the more we appreciate, the more we protect. So come with me on this journey. Let's explore, admire, and respect the wild. Let's go for wild Amazon, and never forget that in protecting it, we're protecting the very future of our planet. As we travel further into the heart of the jungle, it becomes clear. This place is not just about survival, it's about balance. Each animal plays a role in the web of life. The predators, the prey, the insects, the birds, all are part of a system more delicate and complex than we can imagine. One of the most fascinating residents of the Amazon is the harpy eagle, one of the largest and most powerful eagles in the world. With sharp talons the size of a grizzly bear's claws, it rules the skies. From above, it spots monkeys, sloths, and even reptiles, swooping down with incredible speed and precision. Beneath the jungle floor lies another secret world, teeming with insects, amphibians, and fungi that break down organic matter and nourish the forest. Without them, the Amazon wouldn't survive. Even the smallest ant has a role here. Some ants form massive colonies, working in perfect coordination, while others defend specific trees in exchange for shelter. And deep in the rivers, the pink Amazon river dolphin, or boto, glides through murky waters. Intelligent and mysterious, it's a symbol of the magic the Amazon holds. A creature that feels more myth than real, yet thrives in this ancient environment. But as beautiful as it is, the Amazon can also be brutal. Survival here means constant alertness. Animals adapt in extraordinary ways, with camouflage, speed, venom, and strength. It's nature in its rawest form. We must remember that the Amazon is more than a destination. It's a treasure, a living masterpiece that has existed for millions of years. Its secrets, its creatures, and its breathtaking beauty must be preserved for future generations. So let this journey remind us, the wild still exists, and it's calling us to protect it. Let's go for wild Amazon, not just to explore, but to awaken our responsibility toward the natural world. As we reach the final stretch of our journey through the Amazon, one truth becomes clearer than ever. This place is alive. It breathes, it moves, and it teaches. Every moment here is a lesson from nature itself. Have you ever seen the glowing eyes of a predator at night? Or heard the low rumble of thunder while monkeys scream through the canopy? These aren't just sounds. They're echoes of a world untouched by machines, by noise, by crowds. A world that still runs on instinct, on balance, on silence. And the people who live deep within the Amazon, the indigenous tribes, have understood this balance for centuries. They live with nature, not against it. They know which plant heals, which fruit kills, and how to track a jaguar through the mud without a sound. Their knowledge is ancient and rapidly disappearing. As we fly over this sea of green one last time, we can't help but feel small, yet inspired, humbled, and deeply connected, because the Amazon doesn't just belong to Brazil or South America. It belongs to all of us. It's a beating heart of this earth, and every wild animal, every drop of rain, every rustling leaf matters. So when we say, "Let's go for wild Amazon," it's more than a title. It's a call, a reminder to protect the wonders we've just witnessed. Because if we lose the Amazon, we lose a part of ourselves. Thank you for joining this journey into the wild. Now it's your turn to explore, to learn, and to help protect what's left of this untamed paradise.